Good morning, everyone. For the interrupt, so when you click on Victoria Day here, then you will see a couple of activities that you need to do. The first two tasks are a vocabulary review. So what you need to do is to click here on Start, read the instructions first, and then click Start. You're going to match these words with their definitions. So let's say, for example, annually means every year. So you click here on annually, and then you click here on every year, and then they're matched. You do the same with the other words, and then you click I'm finished. When you click you're finished, you have to click back to assignment again to go to the next task. Do the same for task 2. Then there's a reading and a listening. So you can read about Victoria Day and you can listen to it while you're reading, which is good for your pronunciation. Again, when you're finished, you click I'm finished, click back to assignment, and then you move on to the next one, which is comprehension questions. For comprehension questions, so you need to write your answers here. There are 9 questions. After you have answered all 9 questions, you can review them and then you click submit answers. I'm not going to do that now. Remember, you need to submit your answers, otherwise I won't be able to see your answers, and also it shows on the ESL library website that you haven't completed the tasks. So don't forget to click on submit. So here this task is just a review of the vocabulary of this lesson. Don't forget to click submit. And then finally there's a listen and type, in which you need to listen and then type the word. Fill in the blanks.
Victoria Day. Victoria Day is a Canadian public holiday that celebrates Queen Victoria. The holiday takes place annually on the last Monday before May 25th. Queen Victoria's birthday.
So like that. And when you're finished, you click submit. So that's all you need to do for today, and I wish you have a great long weekend.